Happy Halloween. All eyes have been on this forecast all week long. Meteorologist David Karnes is here to fill us in. David, a lot of people, they're ready for Halloween. They have the costumes. What should they expect tonight?
This is the dance that they're doing right now, Caroline. They're very excited. People are very excited. It looks like the showers, the thunderstorms are going to be over by the time we're going out to trick or treat. I do think we're going to get some good heavy rain in the morning. As a matter of fact, another inch to an inch and a half of rain is a possibility, but we will see it tapering off around 3 o'clock. And by 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, as people are going out trick-or-treating, it is going to be chilly, but the rain will be over and done with. Keep in mind the ground is still probably going to be fairly soggy, but big thing will be cooler air sliding in. You'll definitely want to bundle the kids up a little bit as we drop into the 40s. So our high today is going to be this morning, and temperatures are going to be falling pretty rapidly through the afternoon. 58 degrees by noon, 51 by 3 p.m., and then we'll be dropping into the low 40s as the kids are going out trick-or-treating. Rainfall pretty decent over the past 24 hours, about an inch to an inch and a half of rain widespread, up to a couple of inches of rain in this little vein of heavy rainfall in parts of northeast Alabama. And we're going to get yet another inch or so of rainfall around parts of the area as we move through the day today. So we do have a number of flood watches in effect for North Georgia heading up into the Blue Ridge Mountains. Rain, maybe a few storms ending mid-afternoon, and then we're going to have temperatures falling through the day as we demonstrated just a moment ago. So right now these are about the high temperatures that you're going to have today. It's also the current temperature, 72 in Chattanooga, 71 in Cleveland. No pollen recorded at all with the latest count. How about that? And in some of the higher elevations, maybe a little bit of patchy fog heading up to Monte Eagle. Take a look at our severe weather outlook for this morning and early afternoon. Just a low marginal risk of severe weather here in the Tennessee Valley. Quite frankly, I would be surprised if we had any severe weather. We're going to keep an eye on it, but it just doesn't look that promising. Better chances for severe weather heading up toward Richmond, Virginia, and Washington, D.C. Breaking it down, still under a 5% risk for damaging winds and a 2% risk for isolated tornadoes this morning and early afternoon. So again, we'll keep an eye on things, but the risk very, very low. So here is our current radar, and you can see some of that heavy rain lifting up through Scottsboro on its way to Chattanooga, getting a little bit of a break in Cleveland, Athens, and parts east. But even if you're not getting any rain right now, keep in mind all of this is going to be slowly moving eastward through the day today. So this cold front is going to work its way in and bring quite a bit of rainfall to the Tennessee Valley. Just keep that in mind. Your Vipercast showing this. This is 8 o'clock. We move on through 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock hour. We're starting to see some of that heavier rainfall moving through. This is 10:30, and you can see a heavy batch sliding on through. It's going to stay rainy through your lunch hour. Again, it'll be cooling down at the same time, so 58 and rainy at lunchtime, and then it'll be dropping down into the upper 40s by 3 p.m. But take a look, the rain begins to fade away, and by 5 o'clock, the rain pretty much gone, save maybe 1 or 2 showers up around Murphy. And then 6 o'clock, looking okay. We'll still have some clouds. 7, 8 o'clock, no rain, just chilly weather. It will be in the low 40s by 8 o'clock tonight. Moving on into Friday, Saturday, and Sunday even, we're looking at another reinforcing front sweeping through. There will be no moisture associated with it, but it is going to keep it chilly right through Saturday and Sunday. So warm and rainy to start the day. It's going to be windy at times with temperatures falling through the day also. Winds out of the west-northwest at 10 to 20 miles per hour. And then tonight, freeze warnings are in effect for just about all of our area with partly cloudy skies, and the low in Chattanooga dropping to 33 in Dalton also. But take a look, everybody else will be 30, 31, 32, even the mid to upper 20s in the higher elevation. So be prepared. Make sure the pets and the plants are taken care of tonight. You don't want to leave them outside and have to get a little on the chilly side. Quick look at our Storm Alert 7-day forecast. There it is. Yeah, we've got the rain ending. It says 7 p.m. That should actually say 5 p.m. So it will be ending in time for your trick-or-treating tonight. 72 for the high. We're about there now, and then dropping to 33. It is going to be cooling through the weekend. Look at that. Temperatures in the mid to upper 50s for highs, lows in the low to mid 30s. And then we slide on into Saturday night and Sunday, and we set the clocks back. So an eventful next few days. We're going to set those clocks back on Saturday night, Sunday morning, and then it'll stay nice and cool through Monday, warming up just a bit on Tuesday and Wednesday, Caroline.
David, so freeze warnings overnight tonight.
Freeze warnings overnight tonight.
Wow.
It is going to be a stark contrast compared to this morning and tomorrow morning. Temperatures will be dropping about 25 degrees, so be ready.
So you really want to make sure you bring in your pets and,
Absolutely.
cover your plants.
Yes.
All right, David, thank you.